Welcome back to CARAHCAST, the podcast from Carasoft, the trusted government IT solutions provider. Subscribe to get the latest technology updates in the public sector. I'm Corey Baumgartner, your host from the Carasoft production team. On behalf of HackerOne, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around the differences between a vulnerability disclosure policy and a bug bounty program. Alex Rice, Chief Technology Officer at HackerOne, and Corben Leo, an ethical hacker from the Hack U.S. program, will discuss how HackerOne's Hack U.S. program is performed to better understand which bug bounty or VDP program is best fit for your agency.
Corben, how'd you get started? What motivated you to start hacking? What walk us back to kind of the origin of how you went down this path?
Yeah, so I didn't even know what hacking was. So it started when I was a freshman in high school. So I went to a private school and we were given laptops to do schoolwork on. And so there's a student account and then there's the admin account. We couldn't go on the admin account, obviously, but there are these applications installed on these laptops that wouldn't let you go on YouTube or Twitch or all these flash game websites. So we couldn't play video games during school. And obviously, as a freshman in school who doesn't really enjoy learning about math and stuff, I obviously want to go on all these sites. So I figured out after a bit of Googling that you could just restart the computer. And when you'd reboot it, you could just hold two keys down and it would boot you into what was called single user mode. So basically it would boot into a terminal with root privileges. And obviously I didn't even know what I was looking at, but I just followed these steps online. And so you could delete a file, restart the computer. The computer would think it was a brand new computer. And then you could just type in the username and password for a new account. And so I did it to all of my friends' computers. We were living the life for a good day, just playing video games and whatnot. And little did I know that the school IT guy could see every single person's screen. So he's sitting in his office, looking at all these screens, and all of a sudden he sees 5 kids just playing video games in class. So I didn't really play video games that much, but all my friends were doing it. So they got pulled in his office and then into the principal's office. And I was they held up for a little bit and eventually got snitched on. And I got in trouble for hacking. And I'm I don't even know what hacking is. I just wanted to play video games or just really I just wanted to watch YouTube videos and just kind of do whatever I wanted. So yeah, I got in trouble. I got a couple detentions for hacking. And it kind of just put me down this rabbit hole of, what's hacking? I had a ton of fun doing that, even though I got in trouble. And it was just this curiosity that really, inspired me and motivated me to learn more about it. And I didn't even know that it was a career field. I was just learning what hacking was, doing it to random websites. And then I stumbled across HackerOne. I'm wait, what? People get paid to do this legally? This is a whole career field. So yeah, the rest is history.
That's awesome, and I'm glad it was a local detention only.